Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shaneika. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. We would love to have you here, so subscribe. Anyway, you guys, we're going to do something different. We're not going to do a haul this week, but I am finally going to tackle my pantry. I have just been collecting a lot of preparing and gathering a lot of emergency food in case due to the economy crisis, due to the increase on prices for food that's going to be happening, you know, like in the middle of 2026, early 2027. So I just want my house to be prepared. So my pantry is a mess. Now I already have like a lot of containers, so I just have to refill those. And I'm going to go ahead and just organize this to the best of my ability. I didn't want to go out. I'm on a budget. I didn't want to go out and buy a lot of baskets because baskets are very expensive. And I didn't find any that I really liked that spoke to me. So when I was in Ross today, I'm going to show you what I picked up to help organize the pantry. So these are one of the items that I picked up that was really cost effective. It comes in black, gray, and this beige color, but I decided to get the beige color. I think it's very neutral, so it won't be hard for me to mix and match it or when I'm, you know, changing out my decor. I got a basket of 3 for $10.99, which a set of 3 for $10.99, which I think was a really good price. And I think it has enough room on the inside and it's wide enough for me to be able to stock a lot of my canned goods or just, snacks that are in packages. And as you can see, the size of the pantry is not that big, so I think that's going to be able to fit very well. Now, the other thing that I picked up was this beautiful tray. Now, this was only $7 from Ross. I just really like the tone, the color that this is, and this is the size small. They had one for $8.99, just a little bit bigger. This I want to use for my coffee station or kind of pull this tray out to group like my home decor and items. So this is a use item where I can use to decorate my decor like in my living room, my dining room, on my island, or my tea station. But for now, since I have something in my tea station, I was thinking I can use this in the pantry to also just kind of group some items since I don't have a lot of baskets. So I want to group things together so that it doesn't look all scattered and just all over the place. So I'm going to just pull everything out. A lot of these stuff, I've already gone through all the expiration dates, but I am going to be double checking that, try to get things out of boxes and put them in the containers that are empty. And yeah, just give it a good wipe down, sweep this out, and let's get started. So this is the pantry. I cleaned everything out. Have to give it a nice sweep and just wipe the shelves. I'm going to leave the appliances on the top. I don't know if I wanted to bring that down and bring the food up. You know what? I'm going to leave those up there. Yeah, I'm going to leave the appliances on the top. This is where we have everything. So everything is here. Got stuff on the floor. Got water. And we have stuff here. And then I just have some things here. So I'm going to go ahead and start to sweep.
So far, so good, you guys. I really like how everything is coming out. In a perfect world, I would not have these wire shelves, but I'm renting. I live in an apartment, so you do the best with what you have. And I think I accomplish the goal that I wanted to accomplish. I really enjoyed this process. It helps me to just clear my mind, clear my thoughts, and just reflect on, my life and choices that I'm making. So this is very therapeutic for me. Also, it's just a great way for me to just check on the inventory of all the things that I have and all the things that we need, or if we're having too much of something that we are no longer eating in this house. So, um, I'm glad I took the time to just organize this stuff, go through everything, clean out the canisters, check all the expiration dates. And this didn't take me long to do it all. I spent pretty much about 45 minutes doing this whole entire process, and it was so worth it. So now, this is what everything looks like. I'm definitely going to be buying some more waters and just rotating everything out so that way everything is staying fresh. Anyway, you guys leave your comments below. Let me know what you think. What do you think of the baskets, the colors that I use, what I can do to kind of make the place a bit more funky? Let me know.
Okay, you guys, so that is the end of the vlog. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hype the video. And I did the best that I can do with my pantry, with the size of my pantry, with the limited space that I had. I don't want to rush and buy baskets and containers that I don't see me keeping for a long period of time. So I'm going to continue to take my time until I find some things that I really love that I can use time after time. And I'll probably switch some things out. Who knows? But for right now, this is how it's going to stay. It's organized. Everything is where it needs to be, and checked all the expiration dates. So yeah, this is what we can do on a friendly budget. I know it's not as aesthetically pleasing and fancy like some of you may have wanted to see, but this is my realistic life. This is what I can do on a budget, and I'm just happy that everything is organized. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.